Carbeli!
Hi guys, welcome back to Carbeli. I'm so excited that you're here with us today. Today we're going to talk about a few sea animals. We're going to talk about a dolphin. We're going to talk about an octopus. We're going to talk about a sea turtle. We're going to talk about a shark. And we're going to talk about a jellyfish. Like our video, subscribe to our page, and watch every video to the very end because we always have really funny bloopers. Okay, let's get to it. As you can see here, we have a bowl of water. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put some blue food coloring in the water so it seems more like the ocean, okay? All right, let's do it. Okay, 1 drop, 2 drops, 3, let's put 5, 4, and 5. Whoop, I think I got 6. All right, now let's stir it up. Perfect. Now it looks more like the ocean. Okay, the first animal we're going to talk about is a dolphin. Dolphins are really, really friendly. They have 1, 2, 3 fins, a tail, and they eat all kinds of fish. All right, let's go swimming. The next sea animal we're going to talk about is a sea turtle. Sea turtles are really interesting and they're really fun. A sea turtle can hold its breath for 5 hours underwater. They like to eat jellyfish and they like to eat grass off the bottom of the ocean floor. Let's go swimming. The next sea creature we're going to talk about is an octopus. You know that an octopus has 8 arms. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you also know that an octopus has no bones? So it's able to squeeze like this in tight spaces. And also when it gets scared, it shoots out ink. Like what's in a pen? Ink. When it gets scared, and it scares away the people that might hurt them. All right, let's go for a swim. The next sea animal we're going to talk about is a jellyfish. You know that some jellyfish can glow in the dark and they don't have any eyes and they swim like this. All right, let's go for a swim with a jellyfish. The next sea animal we're going to talk about is a shark. I know you know what a shark is. There are over 500 different types of sharks. They have no bones and they have a lot of teeth. You want to take our shark for a swim? Let's do it. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. We learned about 5 different types of sea animals. We learned about our dolphin. We learned about our jellyfish. We learned about a shark. We learned about a sea turtle. And we learned about an octopus. Be sure to watch the video to the very end. We have really funny bloopers coming up. Like our video and subscribe to our page. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye. And be sure to like our video, subscribe to our page, and watch every video to the very end. Be sure to subscribe. The octopus has 8 legs, and he has no bones, so he can go like this. Octopus has no bones, so it's able to squeeze like this in tight spaces. And also, when it gets scared, it shoots out ink. Like what's in a pen? Ink, ink, ink. Good. Are we live? Live? Yeah. Okay.